I'm in a 2012 F-150, and today I'm going to show you where your aux port, USB ports, and charger ports are. So from the front here, we've got an aux port right here, a USB port here, a charger port. If you open up the center here, we've got another charger port. And the rear seats, we've got a couple charger ports, so you can see it here, right there. So a couple ways to charge. And then especially if you've got like an aftermarket display installed, you might have some cords that they ran off to the side here or into the glove box you can check that you might be able to plug into. And if any of these aren't working, so like these don't work, for example, I would first check fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse could make these not work properly. Alternatively, if like especially just one's not working, for example like here or in here, you might need to check behind the plastic to see if there's something loose that needs reconnected or maybe replaced in some way. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.